Now we have to reduce the following equation into slope intercept form, and then we have to find their slopes and the y intercept. Now number 1, x plus 9y is equal to 0. Nine y is equal to negative of x, y is equal to negative of 1 by 9 with x plus 0. Now comparing with slope intercept, form, that is y is equal to mx plus c. Slope m is minus 1 by 9 and y intercept is equal to 0. So we are having this and y intercept, both answers for the first part. Number 2, 6x plus 3y is equal to 18, 3y is equal to negative of 6x plus 18 and y is equal to negative of 6 by 3x 18 upon 3. Y is equal to plus 6. Slope m is minus 2 and y intercept is equal to 6. Comparing with y is equal to mx plus c, already written above, already written here. Okay. So again we are having slope for the second part, y intercept for the second part.